ke boagi wa fineng ke nana gore go botlhokwa gore whatever concernang rona re le baagi ba Mokokosi re bue ka tsone, and then ke le sone ke nana gore mang kapa mang o na le role le gore a ka e dlala go etsa gore lekitšhene ya ge le be botoka. And I believe gore lebitso la ka ntle nka re ke Kokosi gobane ke one of the residents of Mokokosi and ke proud ka yona. Dintho tsena ke tse ding tsa dintho le gore keng ga di no feleletso gona jwale, and then kontraka e le goreng ya sebetsa currently e sebetsa ka dintho le goreng di 150 excluding this one. Therefore this one re letsa ga e fara as a skeleton house re sa itse gore exactly go tlo feletsa go tsagatseng ka yona. Ke batla e bua ke shebile le dipampiri bua a ke batla e bua se ke nka kesa a ke bua ka dikontraka ke bua ka kontraka tsena abuti wa ka ke tlo di bitsa ka mabitso ke be ke bua le mantlo a le ke di file gore ba tlo ga dintse tsa Mokokosi. One, re na le company e bitswang NGR e file dintho tse 300. Re na le company e bitswang Gamont e file dintho tse ka bang 488. Re bua ka Uvuko e file dintho tse 300. Umzungwana 190. LNR dintho tse ka bang 84. Even Dynamic e file dintho tse ka bang 500. Re bua ka dintho tsa pele tse appointilweng 2015. Therefore scope sa tsone ka ofela di le 6 yana di etsa 1862. Now ka 2017 again up until the 7th contract e leng Setrate e nna ke sebeletsang as a CLO e agile dintho tse ka bang 389. Around 2019 ya fiwa the extra edition ya ntlo se ka bang 8. Therefore e change the whole scope ya Mokokosi extension 6 e etsa 2559. Now if re fumana gore dintlo tsa Mokokosi kaofela di ka ba 2259, but ha ne project e launchiwa go bulwe pele ka 2138. Now 2138 is part of that scope. Ha ise fail even today, yet on the same time go bua ka the last 150 houses tse feleletswang ke company e etsang remedial work ya Mamolebogo ya appointile flateng tsa Gamonto. Therefore yana re ipotsa go some of them tshwanetse le di foundation including the open spaces tse di leng teng around extension 6 go le feletsa go tsara tseng ka tsona. Yeah, ke nana go there might be a corruption e go etsagetse. Why ke nagana jwang? If all the province or all the government o bo bua ka dintlo tse ka bang 2138 o tlo di agala batho ba Mokokosi o bo fumana on the long run, in the long run o fumana dintlo se di oketsegile, but on the ground exactly dintlo still ntse di shorter from the exactly scope se sa 2131. Now however the companies are pointing with their own scope, so go for more scope than the one the local government announced. And exactly we put a lo motho go exactly go tsagalang go station 6. And indeed ke nana gore there might be a corruption working in taking place from the top structure. Bo wa bona mo tabeng ya batho ba loketse dintlo still e tlo khotisa go morago mo lo ke re tlo ipotsa exactly go dintlo tse le go di temo for you di kae, because of a se nna ke temne karabela go exactly gore how many houses should di agiwe Mokokosi. Therefore if mo 2138 ntlo ilone e nngwe dintlo lo ke ha ise fetso including the foundations tsa di leng teng mo le and the open space, yani ha o bolela go exactly gore go ba le batho ba le okeng still itse ba loketse dintlo. O agatsa for example o ka fumana go motho la teng la ke le ntlo e o le re teng o ke le ntlo mo station 6, but yet at the same time ntlo ene it will remain like this because of rona ha re sheba go ya ka di bene dintlo di agilweng ka teng le mosebetsi o gona go yetsa in terms of being a CLO mo station 6. Ntlo ena ise ya locate le opo go a to efetsa as a part of remedial work. Yaanong motho etsa remedial work o feleletsa 150. This one is not a part of remedial work ya go Mamolebogo or including secretary either. Yaanong ntlo e re bona le ntlo fela go ke tlo remain like this. Remember go na le di backyard dwellers wa batho ba le go already no yana ba dilo go magaya go le mangwa but yet ba kodise dintlo. And it they were meant for those people, including some of the people ba dula mo station 89 ba le go keng they've been approved to ba ka dintlo mo station 6. Yaanong ntho ya ka ba fola ke ya ga fela shop go dintlo tsa station 6 they were meant for everyone who is approved to dula mo Mokokosi. If o ka allegation le la gona wa etsa interaction le batho le ba itse mo legislation o tlo fumana gore go ba batho le ba kolise dintlo yet ba approved but already now ke deceased ne ba le ba kolisitseng as ba login ba bitswa di beneficial as such ga ibe as a beneficial under mozodi wa gagwe, but today batho ba teng ba itse ba fumana tseo. Now if re ka extension 6 ka bophara o tlo fumana gore intli go a ditiro ke di formalizitswe ga gona batho ba kile ba kena mo tsone ba dula mo tsone or ga gona motho kile a dula mo tsone already se sentswe. Then we put exactly gore batho ba ntwe ba go kae because of ha ona nka fela ntlo e be lo siniwa someone nkile skia ka ipampiri tselo ke di tswa go housing then ke me dula go ntlo ba thulo go fumana go ntlisentswe e maganta ya re ipotsa exactly gore go etsagalang from ka 2008 and 2009 probably if not 2008 but 2004 remember go se kila chola ke office there was once an uprising saying looking close office communication ya gona by that time already ne go la Northwest ne go na le batho ba leng gore bana ba kwadise dintlo already then it's re setse kokosi e wela as a part of Gauteng lone then ka ntshong le mo e now the similar system I pick up from 2008 and 2009 go into the visa on cross border whereby but once it's from Northwest the system in Northwest but this one Gauteng that's whereby now things started to pick up for but we getting I think population I think exactly okay is that much but if indeed government approved it in 2138 then it says to you but when they were supposed to be 2138 but what will amaze you again you announced 2138 as an approved contract contract again development but later on 2019 you upgrade the scope of 2138 to 2146 now you go exactly but also when you add all those contractors they are pointing to extension 6 they don't even give you 2146 or 2138 they give you more which is 2259 now to go back to that question there might be a corruption from this project and then the contractor said okay the people that terminate you from the project re bua ka Uvuko re bua ka Mzungwane re bua ka Gamont then between Uvuko and Mzungwane go di ntse ka bang 265 tselo go ke di be ya fuwa secretary as remedial work and then di ntse 150 tsa Gamont di filwe Mamolebogo go a di complete now are there anything in new Moscow yeah no getting so again they were already allocated for companies for to work now because of us affairs about terminated no project day but if for the company like Centrate and Mamolebogo for them to complete these houses now 150 plus 265 houses. They are not part of this house, including all those foundations. Those houses and those foundations, they will remain the same. Because of either between the two contractors, go and complete those houses or those foundations, or go and reconstruct those empty spaces. Say like the Station 6. Now we can tell you exactly what indeed. More position Station 6 go fail. Mola ke no ba le stance again. Program 5151, 5152, 5153. Of course. How's that for? No, this is one of the foundations that we have. We see that here, and then this side is so. This house is the actual Centrate, but Centrate managed to talk on A because of when this part of scope is foundation A. Yeah, no, foundation is a this side is so.